Good day to you all. I'm Lorenzo Manuel de Rojas, here with Masters Jose Enrique Borges and Toshio Gamboa as your resident biodiversity advocates. Before we get into anything, let's dive into this first. What is biodiversity? Sounds like a big word, right? But in simple terms, biodiversity is the variety of life in an ecosystem. This includes plants, animals, and even humans down to the smallest microorganisms. But why is it important that we know all about this? I mean, we barely learn about this and we don't hear about it that much. So what effect could we possibly have on it? Biodiversity is affected by various factors, most of which we humans are very responsible for. Primarily is the generation of waste and the consumption of natural resources. While these are not inherently bad things, because we need them so much and generate so much waste that we need more and more of these resources, it becomes an excessive practice that harms our environment. When taking biodiversity into consideration, we can see that our actions deprive nature of important resources. We also generate and introduce massive amounts of waste in natural areas. This deprives organisms and different life forms of their natural habitat.
In present times, the status of our country as a global source of biodiversity has attracted international organizations that aim to implement various programs that target awareness. Meetings held, many seminars, and conventions are also taking place around the country.
But behind these improvements, a number of issues are being exposed. According to recent statistics, problems such as unsanctioned mining, illegal logging, or poaching still remains prominent, even down to the local communities. People neglect their environment, excessively using resources and generating large amount of waste. It is clear that seminars between organizations alone are not enough.
That brings us to where we are now. Specifically, what exactly is the point of this? Or even watching this video? Well, we may be aware of the problems around us, but knowing is rarely enough. We are calling all of you to take initiative and join the effort of preserving biodiversity in our country. Let's encourage each other through action and being a role model. Every little step counts. No matter how small an action, it makes a difference on our everyday lives and the things in our environment. Share your activities, your efforts, and your own initiatives, either in your house, in your own communities, or maybe in larger scales. Sharing can bring access to different people and inspire others to join our cause.
What are you waiting for? Let's all unite for the benefit of our community, environment, and country.